Hi, Geometry Apex folks. I hope you're doing well today. I wanted to take a minute and let you guys know about the announcements feature on Apex because I think that it's easily skipped over or not seen. So once you're in your classroom and your dashboard, on the right side it has announcements. Okay, so when you look at these announcements, I'm going to do my best to title them with the word geometry. In this case, it says geometry. But anyways, I want you to take a look at these announcements that I have sent to you. Now, one of them is huge, this geometry due date. So I'm going to read this for this video just so you can see how to click on it, but also see some of the most important due dates in this classroom. It says, hi folks, there are some deadlines that you should be aware of and meet these deadlines for each unit. I'll open these assignments twice during the day, once at 8:15 and once at 1 p.m. All right, so see below. So here are your test dates. August 26th, October 7th, October 28th, December 9th, and then you're going to finish the class by December 11th. We will have until about December 16th, maybe December 18th to actually finish the course. So any of those extra days at the end of the semester are designed for remediation and or recovery of missed assignments. Okay, so please get these dates in your calendar and work daily to complete what is needed. Okay, so anyway, I hope that you find this video helpful. One last little note that I think I'm going to go ahead and make is that there is something called checkup assignments in Apex. So I went ahead and made that module that says checkup answer keys in Canvas so that you guys can easily access any of the answer keys that you'd like to see so that you can then check your work and make sure that you are on the right page before you go ahead and take that quiz. All right, bless y'all. I hope you're doing well. Take care. Bye.